Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and in this video we'll be exploring the abandoned Hyde Knob Fire Tower that's located along the Virginia-West Virginia border in the George Washington National Forest. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. So to get to this tower, it is a 2.8 mile out and back round trip hike, 1.4 miles up the mountain and 1.4 miles back down the mountain. It has an elevation gain of 680 feet. If you want to see the entire video up the mountain, hiking to get up here, I'll leave a link to that video in the description. This fire tower was originally, construction began in 1939 by World War I veterans, and it was completed in 1940 by the CCC. This tower is no longer in use. It was restored in the 2003 to what you'll see today. Um, you see here on the sign, it is located 4,107 feet above sea level. I visited here July 22nd, 2023, and it was like 75 degrees up here on this day. We're further down the valley, it was in the mid 80s. So it was a nice, cooler hike for July. And here you see the official marker from the USGS surveyors. I had visited this fire tower before about 3 or 4 years ago, and then the door was closed. You could not go inside and explore it. This day the door was open. I don't know if it was supposed to be open, but it was, so we got to go in and walk around. And you'll see that here in a few seconds once we get up to the top of the stairs. I was here on a Saturday, and there really wasn't that many people here. There's a very large parking lot located right off Route 33, which is about 35 minutes away from Harrisonburg, Virginia. When we got to the tower, there was 3 people that were just leaving, and while we were here, it was just the 2 of us, and then one other person came up. So I think if you come here at the right time, it should be a pretty solo hike. Even though I read online that it can get crowded, maybe we just found a good day.
Yeah, this was not open the last time I was here.
Really?
Really, yeah. So like this used to be where they had probably a fireplace. There's the lake.
Okay.
There's the lake down there.
The observation deck of this tower goes around 3 sides of the tower, so you do get pretty much a 360-degree view up on top of the mountain.
There's a lake over there too. So there's a lake down there too.
Oh yeah.
So as we head back down the stairs here, we're getting close to the end of the video. Again, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll have some more content coming out here in the near future. So thanks for watching.